Look, listen, and say. Read.
Circle the thing that Mita wants. Mom, do we have any juice? Sorry, dear, we don't have any juice. You can have some milk. No, thanks. I don't want any milk. How about ice cream? Do we have any ice cream? Well, we have some ice cream. But I'm cooking dinner now. You can have some ice cream after dinner. Okay, what's for dinner? Chicken and rice.
Juice, ice cream, chicken. Read the dialogue from your textbook.
Language focus. Some and any. Use of any. Question statement. Negative statement. Use of some. Positive statement. Do we have any milk? I don't want any milk. I want some ice cream.
Ask and answer the questions using some and any. You may use the following prompts in the box: water, nuts, juice, sandwich, biscuit, banana.
Do you have any?
No, I don't have any.
Do you have some?
Yes, I do. I have got some.
Ask your partner what's in his or her bag. Use some and any.
Do you have any books in your school bag?
Yes, I do. I have 3 books in my school bag.